So how to transfer money from Lloyds Bank to Revolut. So to transfer money from Lloyds to Revolut, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the Lloyds app and make sure you're signed in. And once you're signed into Lloyds, you can then head over to your Revolut account right here. So as you can see, we're on the home page of Revolut. So you just want to go ahead and select Add Money right here. Then once you've selected Add Money, you'll be brought through to this page here where you'll just need to input the amount that you want to send from Lloyds to your Revolut account. So for the example of this video, we're going to say £10. Then once you've done that, you simply just want to go ahead and click here. And then you'll be brought through to this page here. So as you can see right now, it's set up for Apple Pay. So from here, you simply just want to select Easy Bank Transfers. Then once you've selected Easy Bank Transfers, you can go ahead and press Done at the bottom. And then you'll be brought back through to this page here, where you can then go ahead and press Continue. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here. And to transfer money from Lloyds, you just want to go ahead and select Lloyds right at the bottom here. Then once you've done that, it will then pull you through to the Lloyds app, where you'll then just need to go ahead and approve the payment. So if you go ahead and scroll down, click Continue at the bottom, and then it will pull you back through to your Revolut app, where it should then give you the confirmation that your transfer from Lloyds was successful, and it's as simple as that. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.